Hi there, and welcome back to Belleville Toyota. I'm Bronwyn, and in today's video, I will be explaining the Auto Rain Sensing Wiper feature on your new Toyota. Keep in mind that this feature is available on select Toyota models. Let's take a peek at the windshield wiper stalk, located on the right side of the steering wheel. If your Toyota comes equipped with the Auto Rain Sensing wipers, the word Auto will be located here on the wiper stalk. The icon above the word Auto is the off symbol, representing the off position of the stalk. The arrow pointing up above the off icon represents a singular wipe of the windshield. If you click the stalk up while in the off position, the wipers will activate once and the stalk will then return to the off position. Pulling the wiper stalk down once will engage the auto rain sensing wipers. Once more will engage the variable intermittent wipers. And finally, at the lowest position, the wipers will engage continuously at a low speed. This dial can be used two ways. If your stalk is in one of the two manual wiper positions, it will adjust the speed or frequency of the wipers. If your stalk is in the auto position, it will adjust the sensitivity of the wiper's response to rain or snow on the windshield. Here I am moving the stalk down from the off position to display the manual modes. You will be able to tell if your stalk is in the off position if you can pull it up once and it falls back down. To activate auto, let's pull the stalk down one from the off position, and from here we can adjust the rain sensing sensitivity. Additionally, the dial at the end of the stalk turns on the intermittent or continuous wipers at the rear of the vehicle. Pulling the entire stalk towards the steering wheel activates the spray and wipers for the front windshield, and pushing the entire stalk towards the dash sprays and wipes the rear windshield. I hope you've learned a little bit more about your wiper functions today. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I'm Bronwyn from Belleville Toyota, and I'll see you in the next video.